Welcome to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're diving into the depths of flavor with a sensational recipe that will elevate your taste buds to new heights. Heavenly Fried Sea Bream Delight. Let's get started with our mouth-watering marination. In a small mixing bowl, we combine the perfect symphony of flavors: salt, black pepper, cumin, coriander, minced garlic, oil, vinegar, and a burst of lemon juice. Give this heavenly mixture a good stir, ensuring every element harmonizes into a tantalizing blend. Now, for the star of our show, the pristine sea bream fish. Make sure it's impeccably cleaned before generously brushing it with our divine marinade. Coat every nook and cranny, inside and out, as we infuse this fish with a symphony of flavors. It's time to create the perfect crust. In a large pan, we've combined flour, cornstarch, salt, black pepper, cumin, and a touch of turmeric powder. Mix it all together to form a magical coating that will transform our sea bream into a crispy delight. Make sure to coat both sides of the fish with the flour mixture. Here's a pro tip to achieve an extra thick crust. Lightly spray water onto the floured fish before giving it another coat. Trust me, it's the secret to a heavenly crunch that will leave you craving more. Now, let the magic happen on the stove. Heat up a frying pan over medium heat, generously add oil, and wait for the sizzle. Once the oil is hot, gently place our marinated and crusted sea bream into the pan. Fry each side for 8 minutes, locking in those divine flavors and creating a golden, crispy exterior. And there you have it, a celestial sea bream dish that's not just a feast for the eyes but a symphony for the taste buds. Dive into this culinary journey, and remember, all the details you need are just a click away in the description box below. Thank you for joining us in Heaven's Kitchen, where every dish is a taste of paradise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more heavenly recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!